Hole 1 at Twin Lakes Golf and Country Club may look welcoming from the tee box, but quickly reminds golfers that accuracy matters. This par 4, with the blue tees at 314 yards, the white tees at 305, the green tees at 297, and the gold tees at 288. Houses line the port side of the fairway, while towering pines and firs frame both sides, creating a classic Pacific Northwest golf setting. Two fairway bunkers line either side of the landing area, tempting players to risk a long drive while pushing anything offline. Your approach shot is equally demanding, threading into a narrow green protected by deep pot bunkers on both sides. The opening hole is a straightforward par 4, while the ideal tee shot is left center of the fairway to create the best angle to the green. The green slopes and can be difficult if your approach rolls long. Twin Lakes Golf and Country Club in Federal Way, Washington is a classic Pacific Northwest course that opened in 1967. The course is known for rolling fairways, tree-lined holes, elevated greens, and sweeping Puget Sound views on the back nine.